was perfect.
Okay, we had this here come off on the freeway, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So we had temporary little tape fix.
Yeah, we might as well redo this one too.
But yeah, this car's gonna be on the channel, on the channel further along. Once we do forced induction, right, David?
Yes.
I'm gonna put this in real time so they see your finger strength. Dude, you broke that loose with just your finger.
Yeah, dude.
The funniest part is that this thing passed smog, so somehow.
Holding it with my stomach. Just enough to get on the hangers. Oh, what? I'm on the wrong way. Gotta flip it.
Also, you gotta get it in there too first. Gotta put it in the hole first, Peter.
Huh?
So you gotta put it in the hole first.
Nah, I'm gonna line it up after over there, but the front, I just want to hang it right here.
So I meant on this back.
On the back? On the front?
No, here where you didn't have it lined up first in there.
Oh, and that thing? Well,
Yeah.
that thing's just hanging out. So it's okay. I just want to see if I can thread these on. There's a gasket here, but I should just change it, huh?
Do you have one?
It's still stuck there, the original one. This shit moves hella. What the fuck? This is a flex pipe?
It's alright, Chico wants it loud anyways. So I'm going to leak.
It doesn't come out, so it's staying. One-handed.
What a strong guy, dude.
Yeah. Alright, leave that like that for now. Let's get out of here. Yeah, see this one's in there. Give me one of the gaskets.
Hold on. There's one back here. Where did it? He's old.
I think your coilover is blown or pushing.
What?
See that?
Yeah, it makes sense.
Oh yeah. Is it leaking?
I don't know if the shock. I think the shock was probably leaking, but that bushing looks like it's destroyed.
Mm.
Man, new coilovers, dude. She goes like, "Fuck that." Yeah, it's too big.
I'm buying some at Pick and Pull again.
Cheap ass. Maybe we'll just reuse that one.
Why that one doesn't fit?
It seems like it's a little too big. It doesn't sit in the groove on this side.
Mm.
I don't want to give it another. He's gonna get.
Perfect. Still gonna
rattle here. Let's see once we secure it over there. Hey, and it's more secure, dude. Look at that.
Oh yeah, dude, it's not even rattling that bad.
No, what? It's right there.